Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. It's Bilal Khalid. Guys, front of you Canon Pixma TS3440 printer, and the issue is with this printer, if we give copy command or print test page or any document, printer is not feeding the paper and it's getting stuck in the middle, and I am sure that something fallen from here. So first of all, just focus how it's reacting, and then I will teach you, if it's got stuck in the same manner in your printer, how can you fix this problem without taking it to a service center. Printer is initializing, and just you can see it's processing and executing the command that I just gave. Press the I button. So just hold on, let it execute, then you see what it's showing, exact message. Look, it's stuck in the middle, and look, it's trying to feed. Look. Okay, I will press cancel button. Printer is getting stuck, and you see the paper from this side, it's something over here. From here this is smooth, something from here. Okay, without disassemble the printer, I mentioned many times earlier also in many videos, in any DeskJet printer or Pixma, the printer got ink cartridges. You can see these white rollers. Paper is, this is a paper path. Okay, something if fallen from behind, it should come over down of this area. So I will turn off the printer. Okay, I turn it off, and now I will move this cartridge to right side, and then now I will lift it up, and we will see. Look, you can see something over there. What is that? I will push it with the flat screwdriver. Okay, I pushed it with the flat screwdriver, and you can see a screw, a type of screw. Okay, this was inside. I don't know, it's a gold or what, so no problem. We'll turn back on, and that's what you have to do whenever your printer is getting stuck the paper or not fitting the paper well. And now it's again initializing, and look, it will feed the paper. It's feeding well now. This was the method. If you have any other question regarding this Canon or any other model, you can ask down in the comments. Thank you for watching. All the best.